Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Um I don't know how many weeks I haven't uploaded or even months, but yeah, time for a new vid. My friend again, this guy, Chaser and PC.
You,
He
you
already,
guys
yeah,
remember me, right? The guy who reviewed all the heavy
yeah, he
weapons
reviewed all that.
from
Videos.
from
I
both
don't know if you can hear him.
Fair.
We're not
This
hearing
is
him.
the topic I
But
think.
anyway,
Big fan of
getting
Scott.
Hey, Padre,
I'm a big fan of Scott.
this time we're trying to get the chainsaw now.
Yo,
yeah,
let's go.
I mean he is about to get chainsaw. That's his like next weapon. If he gets enough cash at least, he only has 18k.
I
I
need
guess
7,000 for
we
it.
may make a part 2 or review of all light weapons in Combat Warrior.
I am the best sniper.
Chainsaw! Ah!
Come here.
Wait,
Give me
I'm gonna
money.
help you grind.
And yo, guys. Yo.
Anyway,
Money.
hope you
Okay.
enjoyed that video of the heavy weapon review.
Yeah, so
Time
don't.
to
We do hope you enjoyed
no
the
need to
heavy
like
weapon
or
review.
subscribe. No need. Up to you.
Yes.
It's your choice if you subscribe. We don't care.
Yes.
We're just doing this for entertainment.
Exactly.
Come here, Dracula. You nerd. You nerd. You're not a Dracula. You're a nerd.
Hello. Do you like? Do you like some free candy?
Dracula's drowning
Do you
himself.
like free
Nice.
candy? Do you like free candy?
No. Okay. Sorry about that long mute. I'm also in a VC with demos, including, Chaser Geo and Jetty, whatever. But anyways,
Give me
Do
money,
you
you
like candy?
nerds.
Do you like candy?
we're
Do you like
okay. I
candy?
found
Do
you.
you like candy?
Anyways, I don't know if you can hear that. I don't know if you can hear that. So, Geo, did you check out my vids? Could you hear your voice? Yes? Alright.
Money.
Anyways,
No.
the grind set. The grind set.
Oh my god! Doing the
My
super
man's
jump.
of the grind.
He's doing the super jump glitch thingy. That
I don't think you can do that on mobile. Well, you can, except
You
it's
can.
harder than PC, you know. Even I can't do it, and I'm on PC.
No, you need like 60 FPS or higher.
No, 60 FPS or lower. I have FPS on lock where I want 70
Right, I'm
30
not just-
and everything was so slow, like seriously.
oh, we got the R. Okay, let's get the K. Who wants to get the K?
Give me money, please. I really want chainsaw.
Okay. What's that?
What? It's basically the more the literal
He's not
enemy.
using cheats, Pop.
The,
He
the
ain't using
what?
cheats, Pop. Sorry about that, I was just talking to my dad. Anyway,
Chainsaw is basically the enemy of Dragon Slayer.
Wait, really?
they're both,
They both do hits, but except Chainsaw is better for public.
yeah, you're
Oh.
right.
Dragon Slayer is better for 1v1s.
Yeah.
It's basically on par, I guess.
I think why do you think chainsaw?
The weapons are based on your gameplay, actually.
Yeah, I know, that's what wait, I never said that.
I'm gonna ask these guys.
Go ahead.
These.
Anyways.
Oh,
Bro,
sorry, sorry.
hold on, let me get my kunai.
Ow.
Yo, the chaser SPC. Will you please put the C4 on my back later on?
Okay,
Here's
come
the
here.
chainsaw.
I'll put it. Where are you? Come here. Oh my god.
This is better for public.
Okay, there.
Okay. Yo,
Bruh.
bro, I was like lagging.
Yes. 320. No. Yeah. No. No. Enemy of Dragon Slayer. Like what Gio said. Talking to my kuya. How much cash do you have now, Gio?
Let me check. Probably like 19,000, I think. I don't know.
How do you get money that fast? You already
Where?
have like Dragon Slayer. You're about to get chainsaw. What are your
Where?
plans after you get chainsaw? I mean, you finish the game. You've done. This game doesn't get updates, only bug fixes. Plus, I don't think there's any events, so
Now they're gonna launch the update soon
Wait,
what
really?
on
is
the
the
YouTube
update?
video.
I wonder if
Like a
there's
new
the,
weapon, new map with the skills, like the elemental stuff.
so is there's like a new shield, a weapon shield or something?
Yeah, there is a riot shield.
Nice. I can finally protect myself from those sickle users. No,
Yes!
You
Paris is
probably
better.
can.
Paris
Sorry.
is better.
Okay.
Feed me,
Feed.
feed me, and if you feed me, I get stronger by the second.
Finally! I got a new weapon from Heavy.
Let me check my money later. You know what? I can't kill her or him. She's
Why?
friendly or him is friendly. Oh god!
For her. The person
Yeah. Level down.
Nice.
I just. Oh, nice.
Hey, yo, RPG!
Move.
Yo, I like the here.
Okay, I'm gonna go to finishing my quest. I need a better score. My other quest. My other quest.
21,000 cash.
Jeez, that's pretty fast, not gonna lie.
Yeah, I got 4,000 cash just by like 5 minutes.
What the hell? Oh well. I can't do it.
Yo, follow my head.
Bro, I just caused a massacre there.
Yep.
You're right. Oh, that's rip bacon from yesterday.
Yeah,
Bacon.
he
Yeah, that's
Oh, yeah, the one we were like
friended me.
You know, gang, whatever. I mean,
when we
you
were like
did that.
soldiers and stuff.
He friended me.
Yeah. He friended you some. I think that's why he joined us. He friended you,
He
right, Summer?
said you like a friend because of the. Hey yo, this is a.
Bro, overkill.
Meong. Bro, green went flying.
Bro,
Yeah. Hey, how dare you do that?
Go to the tree.
what? I do not know what just happened.
Carlo,
Yeah.
how many for the sword like that? Why?
Come on, man. Come on.
Go.
Yay!
22,607. Let's go.
Nice. Oh, wait. I'm level 30 now. Yay.
Nice. I think I'm gonna get Dragon Slayer. I mean Chainsaw. Like at the middle of level 128. I think.
What?
Feed me again.
Okay.
Right after you finish up
Are we
Carlo,
still recording?
sword.
Yeah, I'm
Are we?
still
Carlo, how many pieces for this sword?
like stop or not?
We're gonna make a part.
Yeah, let's just make a part 2. See you.